I'm going to show you something every AI developer should know. One free API key, access to the biggest AI models, and setup takes less than 2 minutes. This is NaraRouter. Let's check it out. So, what exactly is NaraRouter? Think of it as one AI gateway for almost every major AI model. Instead of creating separate API keys for OpenAI, Anthropic, Google, DeepSeek, and others, NaraRouter gives you one OpenAI-compatible endpoint that routes your requests to different models behind the scenes. That means you can switch between GPT, Claude, Gemini, DeepSeek, Llama, and more without rewriting your integration. It works with tools like VS Code, Claude Code, Codex, and any OpenAI-compatible SDK, making it super easy to plug into your existing workflow. Open the link in the description, and you'll land on the NaraRouter homepage. Click Start Free to create your account. Right now, Google Sign-In is the only available login option because email registration has been temporarily disabled to reduce abuse from people creating multiple accounts for extra free quota. Just sign in with your Google account, and you'll be taken straight to the dashboard. And don't skip this video, because next I'll show you exactly how to set up NaraRouter in VS Code and start using it in just a few minutes. Now that you're on the dashboard, the first thing you'll notice is your free token balance. At the time of recording, you get 6 million free tokens, which is honestly a huge amount for testing AI apps, coding agents, and even larger personal projects. Let me give you a quick tour of the platform. On the left sidebar, you'll find Usage, where you can track your daily token consumption and API requests. Right below that is Request Logs, which shows every API call you've made, including which requests were successful and which ones failed. Super helpful for debugging. Next is API Keys, where you can generate and manage your API keys in just a few clicks. Below that, you'll find Generation, which also includes free image generation through the API. Then there's the Models section. This is where you'll see a huge list of AI models available on the free plan, along with additional premium models that are available for paid users. Finally, head over to Integrations. NaraRouter already supports popular developer tools like its own CLI, OpenCode, Cursor, Codex, Claude Code, Hermes Agent, and more, making setup incredibly easy no matter which coding workflow you use. That was just a quick overview. If you want to explore every feature in detail, definitely check out the official documentation. Now, I think we've spent enough time exploring the dashboard. I'm going to use Nara CLI because it's the fastest way to get started. Head over to the Integration section and open Nara CLI. You'll see the installation command right there. Copy it, open your terminal, paste the command, and hit Enter. The installation only takes about a minute. Once it's finished, simply type Nara in your terminal and press Enter to launch the CLI. The first time you run it, you'll need to authorize your NaraRouter account. The CLI will generate a URL. Just copy it, open it in your browser, and click Authorize. Now switch back to your terminal, and that's it. Setup is complete. You're ready to start using NaraRouter with its available free models. The CLI is also really clean and beginner-friendly. If you want to switch models, just press to open the command menu. Scroll down to Models, hit Enter, and you'll see a list of available models. There are more than 30 models listed, including several frontier models. Some require paid credits, so if you're using the free tier, simply choose one that's marked free. I'm going with Kimi K 2.7 code free. As you can see, the model is now selected. Let's give it a simple prompt. Hi. And there you go. It's already generating a response. That's literally how easy it is to get started. If you prefer working inside VS Code, you can also connect NaraRouter through extensions like Cline using its OpenAI-compatible API. You'll find the base URL on the platform, and I'll also leave it in the description so you can copy it directly. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more AI tools, developer hacks, and the latest AI updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.